Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to pull up your QR code on Revolut. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and have someone scan your QR code so that they can go ahead and pay you. How do you actually go ahead and pull up your QR code? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to Revolut. Next, click on the profile icon on the upper left-hand corner. Now, underneath your name, you're going to see the @ sign with your username and then a QR icon. Go ahead and click on the QR icon. And then this right here is what people can scan so that you can get paid on Revolut, even if they're not on Revolut. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and pull up your QR code on Revolut. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next video.